Welcome back to the channel. In a strong display of friendship and respect, Saudi F-15 fighter jets proudly escorted the aircraft carrying Pakistan's Prime Minister as it entered Saudi airspace. This ceremonial gesture highlights the deep ties and brotherly relations between the Kingdom of Saudi Arabia and Pakistan. The escort symbolizes not only security and honor, but also the strategic partnership shared by the two nations across political, defense, and economic fields. Observers note that such high-level receptions underscore the importance Riyadh places on its ties with Islamabad, reinforcing commitments to regional cooperation, security, and mutual support. The Prime Minister's visit is expected to include bilateral talks, discussions on trade and investment opportunities, and collaboration on regional stability. Stay tuned as we continue to bring you the latest updates on this important visit and the strengthening relationship between Saudi Arabia and Pakistan. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for the latest updates from the Gulf and beyond.